Hi, this is Praveen, and I have been working at Abhyaz as a data analyst intern.
My name is Mansi Daikwa and I was an HR intern at Abhyaz.
I have got opportunity to build several skills like team management, work ethics, and handle complex problems.
This internship is very helpful to me as it helped me in building my confidence and also getting a good grip on my communication skills.
I got an opportunity to explore several Zoho tools and worked on several tasks such as data collection, data mapping, and data cleaning.
This internship also give me a lot of technical knowledge related to HR field and also help me in gaining a soft skills.
And I would like to thank all my mentors and co-interns.
My mentors were very patient with me. They guided me throughout this internship.
I like to personally prefer Abhyaz in case you are looking for an internship. This is a great place to start your career.
Whenever I feel stuck or whenever I have a doubt related to a task, they were ready to help me and guide me through every single step.
Thank you.
I want to thank Abhyaz for giving me this opportunity.